Is your Siemens dishwasher not draining properly? This is actually one of the most common issues homeowners face with their dishwashers. Let's identify the signs and causes of drainage problems. The most telling signs are error codes E24 and E25 on your dishwasher's display. These codes specifically indicate drainage system problems that need immediate attention. Understanding the root causes helps you fix the problem efficiently. Research shows that blocked filters account for about 60% of all drainage issues, making them the primary culprit. Now let's look at the dishwasher's internal components to understand where these problems occur. This diagram shows the key parts of your Siemens dishwasher's drainage system. The first step in troubleshooting is to inspect the filter system. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filters located at the bottom of the dishwasher tub. Next, inspect the drain hose for any kinks, bends, or blockages. The drain hose connects your dishwasher to either the garbage disposal or directly to the sink drain system. Proper drain hose installation is crucial for effective drainage. The hose must be installed at the correct height, typically between 20 and 24 inches above the floor, with a proper loop to prevent backflow. By following these systematic steps, checking for error codes, inspecting and cleaning the filters, and verifying proper drain hose installation, you can resolve most common drainage issues in your Siemens dishwasher. When basic filter cleaning and drain hose checks don't resolve drainage issues, advanced troubleshooting techniques can help identify more complex problems in your Siemens dishwasher. The first step in advanced diagnosis is listening to your dishwasher's drain pump operation. During the drain cycle, you should hear a steady humming sound that lasts between 60 and 90 seconds. Abnormal sounds indicate pump problems. Grinding or clicking noises suggest mechanical issues, while complete silence during the drain cycle indicates the pump may not be receiving power or has failed completely. The type of cleaning solutions you use can significantly impact your dishwasher's drainage system. Eco-friendly, enzyme-based cleaners are superior for breaking down organic matter without the harsh chemicals that can damage internal components. Regular maintenance schedules are crucial for preventing drainage issues. The frequency depends on your usage patterns. Light users should clean filters monthly, moderate users bi-weekly, and heavy users weekly. According to Dr. Maria Rodriguez, an appliance engineering specialist, 90% of premature pump failures could be prevented with proper filter maintenance every 2 to 4 weeks. This simple maintenance can save hundreds of dollars in repair costs. Key statistics show that filter-related issues account for 68% of all drainage problems, while regular maintenance can reduce service calls by 65%. The average repair cost ranges from $150 to $300. By following these advanced troubleshooting techniques and implementing a regular maintenance schedule, you can keep your Siemens dishwasher draining smoothly, extend its lifespan, and avoid costly repairs. Remember, prevention is always better than repair.